clutch spring compressor. This is part number 6500. This is what you use to press in your retainer for your snap rings on your input drums. What do you have? I know this works for the GM 700R4, 4L60, 4L65, all the way to the 4L75. I'm not sure about the 4L80s. But for the review, this thing is very, very stout. There's absolutely no cheapness that you can feel on these. It's not that light, it's not that heavy, but the pieces are pretty quality. The construction's pretty quality. I haven't been able to use it yet. I won't be able to give you a demonstration. We'll be doing a part 2 on this, and with a demonstration of how it works. Actually collapse these two together, straighten that out. This sits up on the ring, land inside the drum, then adjust this part to your retainer, and then control it with this. Goes all the way in. But other than that, the reason for the video is just a review. It's a pretty quality piece. There are others you can use. I prefer to use this one, and I'll be using it pretty soon to show you just exactly what it does. So I thought it was worth the money. A lot of the transmission parts are pretty expensive. A lot of people like to do the budget builds with homemade tools and so forth. I have no problems with that. I just don't like doing budget builds and budget tools unless it's something really small or minor. If I need something like this, I'll just buy the tool. There's other transmission tools I'll be doing reviews on also that that you need for your seals and so forth. But this one is really, really nice. So just a review, guys. I wish I could do the actual demonstration for you, but I don't have any open cases right now. So this is just a out of the package review. Definitely worth the money. Definitely a good part. If you can afford it, buy it. Unless you just want to make your own tools. But like I said, it's totally up to the individual. Totally up to you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll make a part 2 on this, and we'll see how well it really actually works in the performance. Have a great one.